Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was actually all the way down here this morning, and then by the closing bell, the price was actually able to work its way all the way back up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, today the price definitely made a very, very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this green line here that I talked about in past videos at $2.37. So why is $2.37 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.37. If the price were to come back down to $2.37 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in this manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote progress, I'm defining as 237. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about the pink line up here, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average. You just look at today, and several times price got right up around that area and could never quite push through. So I'm not saying that level can't be broken or anything like that, but very clearly right now that 263, which is the value of that 200 period moving average, is that key battleground to watch as the week continues to play out. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Nice recovery from the lows today, and now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.